Hi you guys, so it has come to my attention that a few of you have asked me for just a simple salad or a meal that I make on the regular. So today I thought I would show you my most super basic beet salad that I eat. Gosh, I have to eat it at least twice a week. So on Wednesdays and Fridays is when I do most of my video editing, and I must say I look forward to my lunch because it is going to be my beet salad. I have a variation of a salad all the time, but it's usually beet salad. So let me start with what I'm going to be getting first. You can get your beets at whatever grocery store that you go to, and I just buy them whole. I don't even wash them. I throw them right into boiling water, put the lid on for 1 hour on simmer. And then once the hour's up, I rinse them with cold water, and then the skin just comes right off and you're left with these beets. Now, I got orange and red beets because I like the color of them. I just think that's really beautiful. And we're gonna start our salad. So the first thing I'm gonna do is use baby arugula. This baby arugula is from Whole Foods. It's my favorite, and it's so easy because you literally just throw it into a nice bowl and she's done. So I love arugula. It is one of my favorite greens. It is so good for you, but if you guys don't love arugula, you can definitely try something else. I would definitely try to stick with a darker green leaf. Whatever you do, the darker the color of the fruit or vegetable, the more minerals and nutrients and vitamins it's going to have in it. So I really like this arugula. It is my fave. Then you're gonna wanna get some tomatoes. Now I am a tomato snob. I like going to the farmer's market. Can you see these? I hope I'm not going out of focus. I like going to the farmer's market for my tomatoes, but these are actually from Whole Foods. And just a tip, you are not supposed to put tomatoes in the refrigerator. I know I've been putting tomatoes in the refrigerator forever, but you're not supposed to. And even though I know that you are not supposed to, literally, you guys, I love tomatoes. I feel it. Eat them all day. Even though you're not supposed to put them in the refrigerator, they're gonna go bad quicker. I do anyway, so whatever, pick your poison. Then I get carrots, baby carrots from Whole Foods, and I get them all prepared here for me. And then I'm just gonna, you can cut them up. I like them kind of big like this, but you know, I'm all about saving time. I gotta, okay. Not how many pod. I'm gonna put you on pod. Okay, sorry guys, that was totally rude. I was like hungry. So this is what we're looking at right here, very basic salad. Now we're gonna add the beets. And with beets, I really don't add that many. I did chop these up. So I'll add some red and some golden. And I love the golden color. I love beets. So I keep them in the refrigerator after I have boiled them. And yeah, they are very delicious. So you only need to put like 3 or 4 onto your salad, like that. Now what I like to do, and not everyone's gonna like to do this, but this is my sunflower seeds. It's just another way for me to get protein. Seeds and nuts are so healthy. So these are sunflower seeds. These are salted and roasted. You don't have to get them salted and roasted. You can get them raw, because I know a lot of people, like my mom, would only eat these raw. She's so healthy. Another thing is how you eat is how your kids are gonna eat. So important, because my mom was so freaking healthy growing up. I copied her, and now I am, and now my daughter's healthy. So it goes from generation to generation. So you really are responsible for how your kids eat. So that's enough said, enough said. Now, if you want, you can add the beautiful avocado to the salad to really like kick it up a notch. And that is up to you guys, but already she's looking quite beautiful just as is. Now, this is how I dress my salad. I'm very simple. I just use olive oil. This is 365 extra virgin olive oil, Italian from Whole Foods. And I'm just gonna about a tablespoon. I love olive oil. I do not freak out over olive oil. I will drink it if I had to. Any type of balsamic olive oil you can get would be great. And again, I eyeball it. I don't mix it up. I like just a little bit. Less vinegar to olive oil. Obviously, I would like double the oil to the vinegar. And then just your super basics. Pink salt. I do it all in the bowl. garlic salt, if you're that kind of girl. I am. You know I am. Or if you want, you can even use Mrs. Dash if you do not like salt, or you're watching your salt intake. So yeah, it's super, super basic. And then I just mix her up in the bowl, like so. And I might add a little bit more salt to taste, and then I might add, if I'm getting really crazy, I might add some nutritional yeast on top, but that's getting wild for you guys. Or, you know, or I might add that avocado. And yeah, you guys, so many of you guys ask me what I eat and why, how my body looks the way that it does, and it's pretty much just because I eat a lot of healthy food. It's not, there's no like special secret. It's just eat healthy, clean, unprocessed foods that taste absolutely delicious. And I promise you, your body will change. It doesn't matter your age, doesn't matter if you're in menopause, that menopause everyone keeps talking about. You can change your life, you can be healthy, and you can be a great example for your kids. All right, you guys, that's it for me. And I'm gonna eat this salad, but maybe I'll put an avocado. Maybe I'll put an avocado on top. See ya! This is the finished product. I did put avocado on there. I know it's not the most beautiful thing in the world, but it tastes freaking amazing. You guys, when I heard Forever 21 went bankrupt, like I legit cried.